So guys, if you're on a budget and you're looking for an affordable brightening bar soap that you can use for your face and body, in today's video I'm going to be talking about 7 brightening soap that you can use for both face and also body. And my number 1 is Hawaiisoap. This Hawaiisoap, I love the effects of this particular soap. Yes, I love it. Exfoliates and also brighten the face, but the particular one I'm going to be talking about is the carrot and also the Hawaii gold. These two are so beautiful. I love the effects of this soap. All this soap I'm going to mention are soap that I have used in the past, so I'm just talking about the effects of it while I was using it and also people's review on this particular soap. So Hawaii, the gold on, contains apricots, papaya and carrot. Those are the 3 key ingredients in this particular soap. This soap will exfoliate and also brighten your body for you. It is very, very effective. You can use it for both face and body. Yes, while I was using it then, I was using it both my face and my body. Yes, and I love the effect it gave to me on my face. And the carrot one, it is very, very good. Those are the 2. It comes in papaya also, but I prefer the carrot and the gold one. Those are the 2 varieties I love. So number 2 is, I'll go for the drip soap. The drip soap, I love this soap. This soap is very affordable and also it does the job. I love the effects of this particular soap. The particular one I will advise you to go for, you go for the drip carrot or the drip gold. Those 2 are very, very, very good. The drip gold contains papaya, contains the carrot also. So these are the 2 effective ingredients in this particular one, and also the carrot one. Those 2 will give you the effects of, see, I prefer the gold one. The gold one is very, very effective. Then after the gold one, you go for the carrot one. Those 2 soap are very, very, very good, and they're also affordable. It's soap that you can also use for your face and your body. It is mild, it is not harsh on the face. Number 3 is nano extra whitening soap. Yes, nano whitening soap. That soap is very, very good. I think the only side effect of that soap, the only bad side of that soap, is because its soap dissolves very, very fast. It's finished very, very fast. So if you are buying that soap, make sure you are putting it in a place that at least breeze can touch that soap. If not, if you put it near a water, if you put it near water, you will see how that soap will dissolve so fast. So that is the only downside of that particular soap. But this soap, it is very, very, very effective. I love the effect of this soap. It is soap that you can use for your face and also can use for your body. It is very, very good. You're going to love the effect of it. The next is this Ashanti soap. Ashanti soap, I love this soap. See, when I was using this soap in the past, see, most times I even forget to use, especially the honey one, the one that comes with honey. I love that particular one. I love the effect it does on the body. Yes, the honey papaya. I'm going to insert the picture up so you know what I'm talking about. The papaya and honey soap. I just look at the picture so I can remember what I'm talking about. The key ingredients in this particular soap is papaya, honey, AHA and DHA. So it's an exfoliation soap. So this soap helps to exfoliate your body, at the same time moisturize your body because of the honey inside this particular soap. You are going to love the effects of this soap. If you don't get your hands on this particular one, go for the carrot one. I love the carrot one. The carrot one is also good. You can also use it for your face and body. They are very, very, very effective. They will brighten your skin very, very, very well. And if you are battling with hyperpigmentation, it works very well with the nano soap. Nano soap and also this Ashanti works similar, but the nano is more effective than the Ashanti. Yes, but you're going to love the effects of this particular Ashanti soap. The next on my list is this Skin White. Skin White, I think it comes in three varieties, but the one I'll be talking about is the power whitening and also the glutathione plus vitamin C. These 2, it comes in kojic plus retinol. Yes, but I don't like the effects of that particular one. When you use it on your face, it tends to turn your face reddish. I've seen people that complain about that. So if you have a tough skin and you are battling with dark spots, you can actually go for that retinol and kojic. Yes, that one works perfectly for people that have tough skin. But if you have a sensitive skin, please don't go for that particular one. It's either you go for the glutathione plus vitamin C, or you go for the power whitening. Those two are very, very good. These are soap that you can use in your face. Yes, you can use it for your face, and you can use it. It's a daily soap. Yes, it's soap that you can use every day. But to avoid over whitening your skin, you can just get either a Dove bar soap so that you can pair it with it. But this particular Skin White is a very, very good soap that you can use for both face and for both body. The next on my list is sorry is the extract soap. I love this extract soap. This extract soap has two kind of, yes, I think they have the Nigerian made and they have the foreign made. But the foreign made, people, not everybody sell it, yes, but I prefer that foreign one. If you get your hands on that foreign one, you will love the effects of this particular foreign one. It is very, very good. I love the fragrance of this particular soap. It lathers very, very well. You're going to love the effect, and it whitens the skin. It brightens the skin. When I say it brightens the skin. I love this particular extract soap. The key ingredient in this particular soap is calamansi. It looks like a lime, but not actually a lime. Yes, it is very, 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 very effective. You're going to love the effect of this particular soap. But I would advise you don't use this soap at in the morning. Yes, because it tends to give you burn when you use it in the morning on your face. Yes, but it's a soap that you can actually use on your face and also on your body. See, this soap that I just mentioned, they are affordable, and they are soap that you can actually use in both your face and your body, and it is very, very, very effective. My name still remains Ujuet Okore. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post, you get to get a notification on my video.